Wealda. They are located at the deepest part of the ocean, Farita. They have been there long before humanity. You think you know this world, but they know it better.
The reptilians are defending their cause, and we have to defend ours. Suit up.
The war against humanity has begun, and it starts in Kingston.
Yo, you a travel. Halfway through Constant Spring, last bus I leave.
Created by Courtney Cross, the first man in Jamaica to produce a 24-minute animation in 4 months.
It is true that the aliens were here long before humanity even existed. And it is also true that we caused our own doom.
Thalia needs you now more than ever. You should be out there saving the world, not hiding behind the comfort of your walls. Flies knew before me. I can feel her energy, but I just can't locate where she is.
Let's get this show on the road.
The aliens say humanity will be the destruction of this earth. This war is a part of our destiny. Humanity have been polluting this earth for far too long.
Time to move out. I now know who you are. You are their champion, their savior.
No. I am the first of many to stand against you. I am Jamaican.